Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seekers. So today we're going to be checking out some DIY hair transformations. So we have a DIY hair color here. Oh, beautiful reddish brown hair shade, absolutely gorgeous. She did a great job with that. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we have another DIY hair color here. Oh, she's adding bangs. Oh, that is so pretty. So she did like the undercolor trend. She did an amazing job. Wow. Absolutely stunning transformation. So she has split dye, blonde on one side, copper on the other, and then now she's trying to do the wolf cut trend. I don't think she did a bad job. I think maybe if she had did like a blowout, it probably would have looked better. Oh, beautiful mix of red and black color. So let me know in the comments below which hair transformation from today's video is your favorite. Here we have someone doing some bangs. See, she cut her hair and then she did the blowout, so the bangs came out really nice. Anytime you cut your hair, definitely make sure that you do a blowout afterwards, and then you can really see what the hair, what the cut is gonna look like. So here we have a DIY split dye look. Oh, she's doing her eyebrows too. Purple on one side, pink on the other. Oh. So apparently placing a star in your hair is like a huge trend right now. I did not know that. So she's doing like a black star on the blonde. Doesn't look terrible. Actually, you know what? It looks kind of cool. That one side came out kind of smudged though, but I like the color that she has with the undercolor. That's really pretty. So we have another DIY haircut. Once again, did the blowout afterwards. Style looks great. This is one of my favorite influencers to follow for like short haircut looks. All of her styles look absolutely unreal. So cute. Ooh, love the switch up with the color. Dyeing my virgin roommate's hair. Looks like she's doing bangs too. So there she's going in with the color. Her roommate is really brave because if you have hair that has never been colored or cut or anything of that nature, well, obviously it's probably been cut, but if you have hair that's never been colored, I would say definitely go to a professional for the first time because you do not want to mess your hair up. So it looks like she bleached the hair. Wow, that came out amazing. I am shocked. It came out so good. Wow. Crazy. Ooh. Alright, you guys, if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.